Hello everyone, it's me Asmarif welcoming you to my new tutorials on request of my fan, which is Arif Hussain. Just comment over my social media post video. Where is the video? So in Bangla he commented, and today I'll show you this type of amazing bike with a Midjourney. So let's get started. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So here I already made those types of bikes and the car. So in bonus I'll show you how to make the car and bike in this tutorial. So at first you have to choose the sketch style and everything for the prompt. So I already used here a prompt which is the concept. So I provide a name. So if I delete this one, no matter what is it. So concept motorcycle sketch, this point or this thing is mostly important because of the sketch style is important for the prompt. And the futuristic proton motorcycle. So futuristic you can provide like a racing motorcycle or cruiser, CREYACR, cruiser motorcycle. So concept cruiser motorcycle, if I provide this same word into this, and then the parameter should be 200, or if I provide 300 is good, 20 or 30. We'll explore which parameter are providing as a perfect image. And here if I provide landscape and 3:2, so here actually 3:2 is good, and the chaos 20. So already we made the chaos 30, and the styles that is 300, and then hit the enter button. So by the way, I'm in a Midjourney alpha. If you don't have Midjourney alpha, you can use the Discord for the Midjourney. If you don't know how to incorporate the Midjourney with this Discord, here my video, another video will appear in a corner or I button. You can just work with that, or you can learn about that, how to install the Discord and how to incorporate the Midjourney with the Discord. And another thing is that Discord and Midjourney, Discord is the free, but Midjourney is paid. Because of I'm using paid because of the quality of the photo, which is very nice. So already I provided here the concept cruiser motorcycle is sketch futuristic cruiser motorcycle. So they provided me like that, which is really amazing. If you want to draw, you can draw, or you can get the inspiration from this. So if I provide here some another version, here is like return option or return button, you can press over there and you can get another option. So let's discuss about the previous one, analyze this. So already I given here the proton motorcycle, and if I change the name, already just provided the demo. And the same thing for the car, concept proton car sketch, and they provided me lots of car which is really sketch style but amazing. You can do lots of experiment with that. You can get the concept or inspiration from here. The Midjourney is a real playground to play. So they are providing, I'm just providing here the cruiser, they are providing us the racing car. So how to fix it up? Concept motorcycle, or here I can provide HERLAYDEVIDSON. So I'll suggest you to Harley Davidson, the name should be like that. Okay, just providing the prompt and get the enter button. And already I provided here the chaos, which is 30, here which is the aspect ratio 3:2, and the styles 300. The simple prompt, you can make emphasize or make the prompt more accurate by using the chat GPT. I'm just copying this one. Okay, or going to the chat GPT, where I am using the chat GPT here, chat GPT, and here is the option another you can just provide this. So I'm taking a new chats, and from here pasting this, and here is another option to upload another photo or any sort of photo. So I'm going to upload a photo like this, or you can upload a real photo like Davidson motorcycle, Harley Davidson, just written over there. And image should be any sort of image, you can provide whichever you do like. I'm using here this Harley Davidson motorcycle, or you can take picture other motorcycles, other like cruiser type motorcycles, or like that. So I would like to use this sort of image. Okay, that's good. And I'll save this one, save copy as. So open image in new tab, and then I'll save this image. And after saving that, going back to the ChatGPT, and I'll upload that photo into ChatGPT. Concept Harley Davidson motorcycle and chaos, or I want to remove that. So write down here, make proper prompt for Midjourney. Just hit the enter button. It will provide you the prompt properly here. Create a futuristic. Okay, fine, that given the detail of these. So copy this, and going back to the Midjourney. In this Midjourney, I'll paste over there, and the parameter will be same, and just hit the enter button. And after getting or hitting the enter button, let's see what types of result we are getting by using the help from the ChatGPT. I hope, or I believe that the ChatGPT will provide us lots of detailing here already we used there. So you can do the same thing with the any sort of concept, bikes and everything, or other else. So it's just generating some images, 4 options for us, and let's see what they are providing actually. So in this portion we already got what we expected. Actually this one is amazing, because of this one is a proper cruiser, and like color pencil and color sketch and everything, they provided the everything in a sketch style. You can use that as your inspiration and concept motorbikes or like vehicles. So let's try the car. So if I search over there concept car, okay, concept car, and going to the image options, you should take the real type image, and you can make this one like sketch over there. So I would like to use the proper sharpen image, which is really nice and edges are prominent. So saving this out and going back to the ChatGPT, and upload this portion and this one, and write down over there. So in this same thing I'll use, okay, concept motorcycle instead of car, 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 and so futuristic concept car. So here already we use that, make a prompt for the Midjourney, and hit the enter button. So let's see what they are providing here. Just providing here, create a futuristic concept car sketched by the BMW. So you can provide name over there. So we can write down, or we can copy this and edit this in the prompt section of Midjourney. So in this portion we got these things, which is really nice. And let's try the car type. So BMW is good in this portion, and parameter are same, 300 for the stylization, weirdness 0, and variety 30, and landscape mode, and hit the enter button. So let's see what they are want to provide, or they are providing Here already we got that, so amazed me to get the image like that, which is really cool and like futuristics and really look alike with a pencil sketch and pen sketch, which is really amazing. So I got this one, which is really amazing and mind-blowing. Here already the basic style sketch, but in a proper way, that's fine. And this one I love that. It's like look like the digital pencil painting, and all other stuffs already I made before just earlier. So this one is sketch or pencil sketch style car. So let's see the concept car what we provided. They already given the real type car, so we should just mention that the sketch style. Let's try another prompt, or let's try this. Okay, after just trying another prompt, let's see what they are providing. But in the earlier version of this, in my own prompt, I used here concept proton car sketch futuristic proton car. They provided this sort of futuristic proton car. So I'm just mentioning here the proton because of I had like assignment to make some concept car inspiration for the proton. That's why I just used that. So here already I got this sort of things, which is near to the Lamborghini, and this one layer near to the Lamborghini as well. So here the Ferrari type, those are the real image. I didn't mention that, but ChatGPT provided me. So this one is proper pencil sketch, and this one as well. So let's see our new result, what they are providing or trying to provide. So they already given the realistic type, but I believe this one is the pencil sketch style. Let's wait for the generation. And this bike, which is really futuristic and which is really like the pencil sketching, that's amazed me. Okay, our prompt is getting ready. In the meantime, we can analyze another photos, the other stuffs like this, which is really nice. This is like proper pencil sketch, and look how beautiful the paper texture. They just provided here some paper texture when you can stroke the pencil in a canvas type paper. They provided that thing. So this one is proper pencil sketch, and this one is little bit of like brush style, and those are like illustration, and that is the real type photography, and they provided amazing things. So that's all for today. If you have any sort of questions, please do comment in my video comment section, and which prompt or which output you liked, you can just do comment in my video comment section. Until the next video, is signing out. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.